guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these gorgeous crochet passion twists. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rattail comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair all the way to the back, just a straight line, just exactly the way I'm doing, because I'm going to be doing basic cornrows, guys, all the way to the back. So I just wanted to show you guys, you don't have to do like the individual illusion for this hairstyle as well. You can actually do just basic cornrows and it's going to come out all the way through. Together, this style took me about 45 minutes, guys, because the corner part took me about 15 minutes because I was trying to do nice, tiny cornrows, you know, that way the crochet can actually just look really nice and neat, okay? So I decided to do these cornrows nice and loose because I want to be able to take my crochet needle in as well as the crochet hair. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil and moisturize my scalp. So make sure you moisturize your scalp, sis, because that is the most important thing that you want to do if you're trying to keep this in for a really, really long time. Okay, I'm going to be using this passion twist hair, and this comes 3 in a pack. It has about 105 strands. First part is 9 inches, 10 inches, and 11 inches. So wanted mine to be really nice and short. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crochet needle, place it in, open the latch, take my crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out, and I'm not going to pull it all the way out. I'm going to take my crochet needle, go through the loop, okay? And then I'm going to go to the corner of the crochet hair, place the crochet hair on the latch, and pull it out. I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the latch, okay? Pull it out, put the needle again in the loop, okay? And then I'm going to go all the way to the corner of my crochet hair and place it on the needle and pull it out. And that way, you know, it's faster for me this way. While I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! I'm going to show you guys again in the front that you can actually use your fingers just to put it in. Okay, so you're gonna put the crochet needle in, open the loop as much as you can, place the crochet on the latch, pull it out, and then open it with your fingers and just place it in just exactly the way I'm doing. This actually works with hair that has a bigger loop to it, but if it has a small loop, sis, it's going to be really hard to put it through. This shout out goes to Miss Mary Burst. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. You are a real one today. Okay. This is for my sisters who cannot do the twist by themselves, but they still want to have this, you know, the passion twist situation going on. You can use this crochet hair, sis, and you are going to be good. We're about to be looking cute in 2021, 2022, 2023, forever with all these cute styles. Okay, sis? If you get this this technique that I'm doing right here, it actually is fast. It actually works with any type of loop. If the loop is big, if the loop is small, it actually works. And the hair feels really, really nice, and you know, it feels really nice and smooth or whatever. It feels really nice and it smells good. Okay, this video is not sponsored. I'm just giving you the real tea, sis. I'm looking out for my sisters, okay? I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the latch, okay? Pull it out, and then you're going to take your crochet needle, place it in the loop again, go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair and pull it out, and this way it is really nice and fast. Okay, this takes me about 30 minutes to do my crochet hair if I do this technique. Let me know if you guys want me to do this same hairstyle using the individual illusion so we can differentiate and see which one is better, which one looks really nice, which one looks, which one you guys prefer and which one you guys love. But so far, I am loving this style right here. And girl, when I tell you this is easy, anybody can actually do this hairstyle right here. When I get to the top right there, I like to wear my hair on the side, as you guys already see, okay? I just feel like it looks better on me, but you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it on the middle. You can do whatever you want. Since I'm gonna be wearing it on the side, I'm going to start crocheting really close together. That way it looks really, really nice, like I did some individuals or whatever. And I actually like to go all the way closer to my hairline as much as possible. Just be very careful. You do not wanna break your hair, so you can go a little further. It's okay, sis. I'm going to be taking my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure my baby hairs are laid all the way down, sis. And that's exactly what I'm doing, just laying these baby hairs. And then I'm going to use my styling strip just to make sure they're nice and all the way laid. And baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, sis, I am loving how this style came all the way through. And let me tell you, this one pack was really enough for the whole head, sis. I am loving this crochet situation going on. For me to do my chronos was about 15 minutes, and then to crochet this hair in was 30 minutes, honey. We are about to get cute with 30-minute hairstyles out in the streets. Okay. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think this is a hot all year round style, sis. When you try any of my styles, just tag a sister. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all you're doing for my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.